Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you stick around and subscribe and enjoy this video. In today's video, I'm going to be getting some cleaning done, tackling the dishes, showing you some stuff I have been decluttering over the last little while. I have been decluttering so much. Little steps here and there, even just one little thing makes a difference. And this is also a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. This is the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab. So a bunch of content creators here on YouTube get together every Tuesday to bring you motivation for your week to tackle your to-do list and get things done, small tasks around your home to make a difference. So definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below for more cleaning motivation. And this video is like a bunch of tiny tidies. As I was putting on my dishes, I noticed that the dishwasher needed to be cleaned. So I quickly cleaned that and made some progress. I feel like everything is a tiny tidy in some ways, because once you start going, it can motivate you to get to the next task. And as a mom of 4, I didn't mention that in this video. I am a mom of 4. I have a 9-year-old, a almost 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So it's busy, and I am constantly cleaning up, and I feel like I clean up a mess, and then there's another mess to tackle. So just taking it easy, giving yourself grace, and tackling things as you can, one small step at a time. That is definitely how you got to get it done. I'm also homeschooling the kids, so messes happen, and we are doing life here at home and enjoying the memories and all of that as we go. So here I'm going to do that little tiny tidy after I get the dish soap in. I'm going to clean the dishwasher. I haven't been posting as much lately. I've been enjoying a mini break from YouTube and just trying to be more intentional and tackle our home and clean it up and just being more thoughtful in the process of being here at home. What does that look like for you? How do you be intentional in your home and tackle day-to-day life at home? I will be back in a little bit. Next, I'm going to show you the things I have been decluttering over the last little while. So I have a whole bunch of stuff that I have been decluttering over the last week or so, maybe more, but I am getting it outside here so that we can take it to the thrift store this week. But it is a bunch of everything. We have these glass mason jars that I don't use and I need to get out of here. Then I have this suitcase that was in my craft room. The decor, I do love it, but it is breaking and I don't really have a use for it right now. So it's gonna go. Then in here I have some shoes. My daughter recently outgrew these and we replaced those, so we're getting rid of that. Then I have all of these craft punches that I do not use. I kept a few that I will see myself using, but I had so many. And then I have some cutting boards that I don't use. This box, and I'm going to be getting rid of the reusable bags because we have a bunch. Then there is some clothes that my boys don't wear and I don't really think I'm going to use with my youngest. So that is in there. And then in here I have a few learning toys that we don't need anymore because we have some newer ones that I'm going to use more. So we have this dinosaur one as well, then some of my clothes in here, and then this pencil case that we are no longer using, so we're going to go ahead and declutter that. Then there's also this placemat that I am donating as well. I just don't need it, and this is my declutter pile. have pulled a few decor pieces out. It is still spring and I want to go ahead and decorate before summer for my coffee bar area and then have a glimpse of summer. I pulled some seashells that I have, so I thought it'd be like a glimpse of summer with the flip-flop and the beach. And then as we finish up our school year, we're gonna put this hello spring and love with the flower arrangement, and then hello sunshine, because it is still raining here a lot, but we've been having a few really nice days. So I want the sunshine vibes to come as we close off spring and start the summer months. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this area. I also have home is where mom is still up here, and that's a pop of pink to go with the flower arrangement. So let's decorate this area. I really love when this coffee area is decorated and refreshed. It really motivates me to keep my kitchen clean, and it just brings a smile to my face every morning when I walk into the kitchen and grab my coffee. So that is all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the Tiny Tidy Tuesday playlist linked down below for more cleaning motivation for your week. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.